Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights. We're going to take a look down the passenger side right away. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Hankook tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60/40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Hyundai on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.